Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to our series of video in which we are building up a quiz database on the basis of certain videos which are available on the YouTube site. So we have chosen SE Logic. It's a very nice source in which all the explanations are given. And so what we are showing you is that you can create a sort of a database, a system which can auto-generate all the problems and will let you know what is the answer, right? So then you can present it to the audience, hiding the answer, and let them solve it. When they come up with this, you match it. The system will match it and tell you whether the answer is right or not. So it's a very interesting idea. I got by seeing this as a logic presentation. So I just want to clarify one confusion that might arise in different people's mind, that I am I am not actually giving you an alternate solution. I'm giving what I am presenting you is that if you are a teacher or you are a trainer or you have the audience to whom you want to test. So we have a test yourself database. So uh, that would let the user select the questions, attempt it, and that's it. Okay, so they can attempt it, they can come up with the multiple choice answers are given, so they have to choose the right answer. If the answer is right, they will get it the among mark, and they will be notified that your answer is right. Otherwise, in case of wrong answer, it will say a big no to them that the answer is wrong. Okay, so what we are going to do today, in our previous video, we showed you that we create a drop down, we create a message form in which it automatically picks certain information like the path, the file path where the database is located, and there can be multiple databases. So users are supposed to select the database first, right? So we have taken the starting point as this dialog box, yeah, which is saying the update QC database, right? So what before going for this, you are supposed to make sure that you have the x values of x in the yellow form, right? And you have generated the answer, right? Like this, and you have generated the question. So the questions are in a bitmap. It's a in a what you say. It's a in a picture form, but that picture will be looked up and it will be in from the database, right? Okay. So very simple approach means all you need to do is just generate as many questions as you can in here, and then just click this. So we have just shown you two questions for the moment. Hmm. In previous video, we have shown you how is the algorithm behind this generator. Okay, so this is a very useful approach, and that will generate answers. You will focus only this part of the question. This will be the question in which the value of x is to be found. Okay, and before doing this, we will make sure that we know which file do we have the value, right? Which file do we have the database, right? So if you select, so this is the database which is working, and we have been solving all these questions in our previous videos, right? And well, what it does is simply it looks up the bit image and the multiple choice questions, and gets ready to see whether you attempt the right choice or not, right? If you attempt the right choice, it says yes, otherwise it says no, right? Okay, so the database is populated in here, and you have these are the rows. Means when we in which this is a formula, right? So the system will come here, add a new row, add enter this information into it, and insert a bit image as well in here. Okay, that's good. So let's see that how it works. And we have put a certain breakpoints in our system. So first of all, we close the database, let the system open the database automatically. Okay. This is okay. So what we do here is that we we click update. So by clicking this update, we are telling the computer to start from the first question and keep on updating the quiz database one by one and mention the answer of it so that it can be comparable with the user's choice. So multiple choice in that. Okay. So let's see how it works. Right. We click OK, then you will see a dialog box. Okay. This dialog box is the command that this user form to be shown. It is shown. Okay. Okay, then it lists down only those files in which there are the test yourself format, right? Because this is the naming convention which contains all our multiple choice questions, right? Test yourself. So we use this one. This is our latest one to update this database, please. Okay, so once it is open, right? So you will see the file is open in here, and you can now go to this and say proceed and ask him to update it. Okay. So now we have put a pair breakpoint. So the answer 3.98 is going to be updated into the database, right? So this is the why 3 point. You see, you can see the 3.98 is the right answer for the first one. Okay, so it must know that what is the answer because it is only for the moment considering the byte image. Bit image is not readable in that manner, so it must know that what is the answer it has to put update into the database, right? So next is now it is going to the database and it has done it. It has updated it as well. So it's partially so uh, let me say return. Okay, now then the next time it will go to the next question. Now it is going to the next question and the answer is different. That is 3.3. That's being taken by the system and it is going to be added into the database. So let's play. So this was the breakpoint. This is the use of breakpoint that it allows you to figure out what's happening. Okay. So since this is done, no more the questions are left. So the system is completed, right? In the end, it should give the job updation completed. We can do that. But let's go to the database and see what has this program done. Okay, so it has added. So this is added. Previously, it was 119 number question, and now we have two questions added. The more important thing we want to see is that we have the right bit image updated into the right place, right? The next thing, in next video, uh, we will do this error rectification. It has put the right answer in here. Yeah, 3.98 was the first question's answer. Now the multiple choice, there has to be some logic that which choice one should have the right answer or choice two or where should do. So it should do a random a function. It should do it, use the random function. It should put the right choice, say here, and we make it a different here. Say, for example, it is 6.8. You can say 6.8, for example, 6.7. Okay, and we take here. We say 70. Say 97, for example. And here we can put what? Say 55. Okay, so these are the chances. So the right answer must be matching with this one. That's right. Okay, and how about this? So and this is an error which we will make sure that this does not occur. Okay, so this we will do it. That uh, this this should this place is for the chapter, right? And this place is for the question which you want to say. Okay, so and about this, let's put so the things which we are doing for the moment in manually, so we will not be doing it manually. We will automate it. We need to put some logic in it, some algorithm, right? Because it should be updated. So what I'm just making a preparation for you that this all things which we are doing, this will be done automatically. 54. Okay. And the last thing is this, say 66, for example, 75. Okay, whatever. So these are the so you know that first answer is 3.98 and 3.33. Now let's see what is the shape of the quiz. When you double click on it, you get this one 3.98. This is the right answer. All the others are wrong, right? And when you click in here, so the right answer is 3.3. Okay. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much. And I look forward to you joining to our the next session, in which we will be doing more updation and enhancement in this system. Thank you very much.